Hello, welcome to another episode of Phantom Bricks. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the Disney 100 sets that came out in 2023. Is the Disney Celebration Train, set 43212. It's a 4+ build, so easy for younger builders, and it's a fun one, so let's get to it. Hope you enjoyed that look at this fun Disney 100 set. Now, I'm well beyond the demographic that this set is targeted at, but I still thought it was a fun build, and I think that younger builders, younger kids, are really going to like it. For a set that retails for $40, it has a great lineup of 6 minifigures featuring some of your favorite Disney characters: Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Moana, Peter Pan, Wendy, and Woody from Toy Story. The set is out now, came out last year, but is scheduled to be with us through the end of 2025 right now. So you've got some time to buy it if it's one that you're interested in. And that will bring this episode to a close. We hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in to Phantom Bricks. The show is produced by Phantom Toys and Games. You can find us on the web at www.phantom-toys.com. And if you enjoyed this content, please consider hitting the subscribe link below. And we always love to hear from our viewers, so please consider leaving a comment as well. And until next time, happy building.